Alright, so it's Thursday night. We're out here at the Griffith Observatory. It's a beautiful night out. We want to go in there, get on the telescope, check out the stars up top. Let's go. Phone. We're installing a custom front grille on the 4x4. Customer wanted no Mercedes sign, wanted only mesh, so we made it. Now we're putting it on. So this is the one with the Hutchinson beadlock wheels. Right now we're activating the top roof lights, which we've done several times before. We installed the grille earlier today, just so you guys see it. This is the old grille. It's got chrome, it's got the Mercedes sign on it. The new grille, we installed our own mesh. No Mercedes star as of now. Customer wanted it blank. We're gonna play with it a little bit more and see what looks good. We're waiting on the roof rack to arrive, the ladder, a couple more surprises for this guy. So this one's gonna be an ongoing project, so stay tuned.
Working them arm muscles. Just got the grill on, huh?
Yeah, just examining it, checking it out, see how it looks before we go even more further and do more things. So right now the design phase, trying to do some different stuff nobody's done before, so just trying to figure things out.
Hey guys, we have a Rolls Royce Phantom here. It's here today for 4 tires service. So we'll have it ready a little bit later today and we'll release the car to the client. See you later. This is a run flat tire. It's a special tire that goes on the Rolls Royce. You can't put anything else on here besides run flat. So we are replacing all 4 tires today. So Rolls Royce Phantom is done. We did everything today. Tires are done, car serviced, and it's headed to the customer's house actually right now.
What are you getting, man?
2 monsters. Well, one's for Vic, it's not for me. If he doesn't want the other monster, I'll drink it, no problem. What do you got in your hand?
I got one too, man.
See, you don't fuck around. You don't do anything.
How much is gas right now?
$3.79.
Oh, you have the strangest way of loving someone, and it feels like it's all over before it has begun. Oh, but when we do collide, we're playing no games. Don't you know that kind of love?
Oh my god, the bus. The fucking bus.
The bus moved out of the way.
Oh shit.
What are you guys doing to this?
We're removing the headliner. We're getting ready to install a Starlight headliner on this 4x4. I think it's the first one in the world that's gonna actually have a Starlight headliner too. So you guys will see that. It's cool.
What do you mean Starlight?
Starlight, like the Rolls Royces, like Rolls Royce Starlight. So this one is actually going to be different colors. You can make them flicker. So just like the Rolls Royce, but more options.
What do you have to do to install something like that?
So we'll show you guys the back of the Starlight headliner. It's all fiber optics, single hand placed, a lot of labor. You guys will see it when we put it on and everything. So the process will be all visible for you. Doesn't look like much. However, boom. Got thousands and thousands of fiber optic pieces. Starlight.
What is this?
It's water. Trying to be healthy today. Trying to be positive. The monster's inside.
We gotta make sure all the wiring is routed carefully. Secondly, we don't want to break anything in the interior as well, so you know, no stepping on seats, stuff like that. But yeah, right now we're gonna be kind of doing the testing phase and then putting everything back together.
What is this?
So this is one of the light boxes for the fiber optics that goes into the headliner for the G-Wagon right now. It's got a wireless remote, so we're gonna be able to change colors.
On the remote? Is the remote?
Yeah, so we got a remote. We can change colors. Yeah. Oh, it works. So you got red, you got white, you got orange, you got yellow, you got green. You got blue. Testing right now.
What do you think so far?
It's futuristic shit.
Twinkling. Guys are twinkling.
This is gonna be fun. thousands of fiber optics in this headliner now. Very labor intensive to install something like this, but we can do it on any vehicle. You could change the colors, you could leave it on blue, red, green, white, purple. There's many colors, so it's really cool. We could even do it on Wraiths that don't come with them, on Phantoms. We could do it on, you know, BMWs, Mercedes, name it, we could do it now. So give us a call if you want to get starlights. You want to see stars at night without going outside, we could do that for you. On to the next one.
What we got here?
We have the brand new Lexus. It's about to get blacked out.
You guys are removing that?
Yeah, we're removing the LC500 to give it a smooth look.
To do. What's to do?
A lot of stuff to do.
This here is wrapped. See how it's smooth? And on top here is the one that's painted because the top part is a little bit more textured. So we have to paint this piece in shiny black and wrap this in shiny black. This was chrome before and now it's wrapped in shiny black. The brake calipers were black before. We made them red and we put white Lexus stickers to match the car. The car is white, so we wanted to put a little white in there. We also wrapped the reflectors in shiny black. The customer didn't want badges, so we removed the badges, we polished it, and we made it smooth again, so it's a sleek look.
What do you got here, man? What do you got here?
We got a ladder. Gotta climb the 4x4.
What are you working on?
So we're putting together the roof rack for the 4x4. So we're installing the ladder right now on the 4x4. We're gonna be putting on the roof rack next. If you get a roof rack, you gotta have a ladder. So we're gonna do a lot of attachments on the roof later on. Parts are coming. that's smart. The sunroof. That'll help. Somebody goes there to help, and then I'll be here. And somebody. Got the roof rack on there. We're gonna tighten it up, make sure it's stiff and it's good. We're gonna get some lights for the front, and then a lot more stuff on order. So.
Glad it works.
Y'all have a nice
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you, and God bless y'all. Y'all have a nice one. And I appreciate everything that y'all doing for me, okay?
All right,
Y'all
man.
have a blessed one.